The Official Guide of Success was written in 1982 by Tom Hopkins. Create a noble aim for your life, then make use of every moment to achieve it. The most valuable thing you can ever own is your image of yourself as a winner in the great game of life. Winners almost do what they think is the most productive thing possible at every given moment. Losers never do. When you look at what winners and losers actually do moment by moment, the difference between these two divisions of the human race really is that small. But the results of those small differences keep adding to each other at every given moment until they reach a critical size. Here are some of the best things which I learned from this book. Hopkins supplies us with his golden dozen 12 words that you must repeat to yourself 3 times a day so you remember to spend your time productively. Here are the words. I must do the most productive thing possible at every given moment. You feel more energetic because the results of your new attitude will serve to motivate you even further. Purpose creates energy. Hopkins says that everyone lives according to instructions. Here are 3 categories. Those provided by the wiring of your brain, those forced into you during your childhood, do's and don'ts, those you have created for yourself, self-instruction. Prepare for the trauma of success. Hopkins advises. He notes the pattern of people who get depressed or lose a sense of meaning once they have reached a major goal. You must continually create new goals if you are to be happy. We assume that successful people have so much confidence because of their success, but perhaps we have it the wrong way around. They became successful because they were generous in their estimation of themselves from the beginning. It was their self-belief, their instructions to themselves, you will be an achiever, a star, that made all the differences, not some lucky break.